Hi all, Nick Silverstein here, back with another guide. In this guide, I will show you how to install macOS Monterey on a M4300 or M6300. The only prerequisite of this guide is this CPU and this graphics card. You must have an NVIDIA graphics card and you must have this CPU. It does not work with any other CPU. The reason why this is possible is because of OpenCore Legacy Patcher and the Legacy Boot from my repository. I hope you enjoy this guide and follow it to a T. It should work for you just fine. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like the video if you liked it. It tells YouTube to recommend it to other people. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. More content like this coming up. Please donate if you can. It really helps me out. Without your donations, these videos would not be possible. Please comment down below if it worked for you. And let me know what you would like to see in the future. Alright, have a nice day. Bye.